very much for staying with us. In a significant development, the News Broadcasters Federation self-regulatory body has now been officially accredited by the Union Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. With this, the NBF's body, PNBSA, has now become the first and the only institution in the country to get accreditation from the Government of India.
In a massive development for news broadcasters, the Union Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has officially recognized the News Broadcasters Federation or NBF's self-regulatory body, Professional News Broadcasters Standards Authority or the PNBSA. Thus making NBF the only institution of its kind in the entire nation to get the accreditation from the Government of India.
We would be very grateful to the ministry for first time being NBF as recognized as a we have been accredited as a self-regulatory body, and so now looking forward for future ways and outs so that how we can progress as an industry as a whole.
With 45 channels, the NBF is India's largest body of news broadcasters in India and has been relentlessly working with the member groups and stakeholders in the industry to strengthen self-regulatory frameworks in the news media sector.
It's a very big development, and I think we welcome this initiative by Ministry of Information Broadcasting as in the capacity of the founder vice president of NBF. I think it's a milestone for MIB also and NBF also, and it will really hugely benefit regional channels and all the channels, and making NBF the largest body of media broadcasters in the country from regional and the national space, and being the first body to be recognized. It's a very big development, and we welcome this act.
We had a fantastic meeting with Ms. Anurag Thakur, and first and foremost I would like to thank him for giving us the accreditation and we becoming the first recognized body, news association body of this country. So I would really thank him from the bottom of my heart, and also for accepting our invite for the event that we are thinking, which is going to be the country's biggest event, where 50 channels will simultaneously telecast that program.
Presently, the PNBSA is the only body in India that has successfully demonstrated compliance with national standards in the domain of news media. As the only accredited self-regulatory body for news media, the PNBSA has undergone rigorous scrutiny. The president of the NBF, Mr. Arnab Goswami, said, "The media has a pivotal role in strengthening our democracy and taking it to even greater heights. Strengthening the framework of the self-regulation of the media is a big step in that direction. And that's exactly what the NBF has been working round the clock towards. The NBF prides on its democratic structure and roots across the country. Different languages, dynamic formats, and varied audiences. But what binds the NBF is a commitment in coming together to strengthen the media pillar of Indian democracy. We look forward to working with the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting to further strengthen self-regulation in our media."
सबसे पहले तो हम ये कहेंगे कि न्यूज़ ब्रॉडकास्टर फेडरेशन भारत की एकमात्र सरकार द्वारा मान्यता प्राप्त फोरम हो गया है। सारे मीडिया हाउसेस की तरफ से आज हम लोगों ने जो बात की माननीय सूचना प्रसारण मंत्री से, उन्होंने न्यूज़ ब्रॉडकास्टर्स की समस्याएं सुनी, रेटिंग्स की बात की और हमारी समस्याओं के जल्दी निस्तारण का वायदा किया है, और हमें लगता है कि न्यूज़ चैनल्स की रेटिंग जल्दी आने लगी।
आज की मीटिंग बहुत ही अहम रही। काफ़ी सारे देश भर से हमारे मेंबर्स आए और उन्होंने अपना अपना मुद्दा उठाया। हम पहले ब्रॉडकास्टर जिसको रिकॉग्नाइज़ करा मिनिस्ट्री ने, वी आर वेरी थैंकफुल, बहुत ही ज़्यादा शुक्रगुजार हैं।
The PNBSA has formally been recognized as a self-regulatory body under the new amendments in the Cable Television Network Act. The NBF-PNBSE has been set up in full and complete compliance with the required norms and operates with a strong self-regulatory structure. Bureau Report, Republic TV.